Hey, Money Magnets, let's dive into how to get $250,000 business funding from Citizens Bank.
All right, guys, I want you to know we're making this video because somebody dropped a comment. Prime Time Cleaning Solutions is one of our money magnets. So remember, guys, drop comments, like and share this video. You never know when we'll make a video because of your comment.
Okay, Marvin. So, the first card that we're going to dive into is the Everyday Points Business MasterCard. Now, with this particular card, you can earn up to $325 when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days. Okay. The other thing I love about this card is there's no annual fee. So you don't have to pay a fee to hold this card in your wallet. And Money Magnets, you know I'm all about not paying fees, okay? Also, this card gives you 0% interest for the first 6 months. So every swipe that you make, you get 0% interest. That right there can be a cash flow changer for you. Another thing that I love about this card, Marvin, is that MasterCard is starting to come up with its own rewards points for having a MasterCard. You know, a lot of times we're so busy having Visa cards until there's not as many MasterCards that I see that are out there. So, what MasterCard is doing is they're giving you extra reward points. For example, if you use your MasterCard to rent a car and you pay for it with this particular card, then they will cover the insurance for your car. So you no longer have to get insurance from the rental place. You can just get it right off your card when you swipe your card. But Marvin, let's go on to the next card and see what other amazing benefits that Citizen has to offer.
Okay, Glory, we're going to talk about the Business Platinum MasterCard. With this card, you get zero APR for 12 months, which means if you got a business card already and you got a high
Hmm.
balance on it and you're paying a lot of interest, transfer it over to this card. Now you pay 0% for 12 months. Or
Okay.
if you're a credit card stacker, you already got 0% for 2024. Now you can get 0% for 2025 by transferring the balance to this card because we
Okay.
want you guys to learn how to keep the money in your pocket. It's not how much you make, it's
It's,
actually how much you keep. But
yeah.
Gloria, let's dive into the business term loans and let's tell them about that $250,000.
Okay, so Money Magnets, with the business term loan, you can get approved and have it in your account as little as 2 to 3 days. Okay, now it is a quick application process and you can get up to $250,000. Okay, and it goes up to 5 years, which is actually 60 months. That's the terms, the flexible terms that this particular loan has to offer. I love this, Marvin. But let's go in and look at what other products that they have to offer.
All right, and keep in mind, guys, this is a regional bank, so it's not in every state. We're going to list the locations of what states is in, but remember, this is a conservative bank, so they're probably going to ask for documents. But let's dive into the business line of credit. Now, the business line of credit, you can apply over $100,000, but if I did that, I would expect to have my taxes done. I would
Yeah.
expect to have 6 months bank statements because they're going to ask for some type of documentation. So what you
Mhm.
need to do is first start a checking account, guys. If you're not ready to do this right now, start a checking account, make a deposit at least $5,000 and start building a relationship with Citizens so that when you get ready to have everything in order and you go to them,
Mhm.
you got a 700 credit score, you got all your docs in a row. And guess
Yeah.
what, guys? You should be able to get this business line of credit because Glory and I, we do reviews on banks all the time. And we're beginning to see when you want a loan or a line of credit, you got to expect to show some documentation. But if you want a credit card, most banks are still giving credit cards with no documentation. But Gloria, let's tell them about business and equipment. And I want you guys also to remember, look, text us and set up a business strategy call so Gloria and I can help you raise that money if you're a little confused about it.
Money Magnets, just keep in mind, in order to hold this business line of credit, there is going to be a low annual fee. So if it's 150,000 or under, it'll be $150 per year. So keep in mind, a business line of credit is a line of credit that is sort of revolving. You can pull money off, then you pay it down. So you'll have it years to come. You won't have to reapply for it. Okay. So that's why they're adding this annual fee, because when you're approved, this money is for you to use as you need it. Okay. Now, if you go Over 150,000 is going to be $250 per year to have access to this line of credit. So just keep that in mind. They are charging an annual fee for this particular product. Okay, money magnets. Now that we've given you all the information on the business line of credit, let's dive into the hybrid flex loans.
You know what I love about the hybrid flex loan, Gloria? It goes up to $1 million. And they have a draw period up to 12 months that can turn into a fixed rate loan for the remainder of the repayment period. So this is for businesses that need like heavy equipment in order to do jobs. Maybe it's construction or maybe it's industrial, but this is an amazing product where you can get low initial payments. You can have a fixed rate for stability. And guess what? Like Gloria loves to talk about, no annual fee. And the great thing, you can purchase multiple assets during a 6 to 12 month period. So for businesses that really need heavy equipment, you guys definitely want to check out Citizens Bank. All right, Gloria, let's tell them about the business mortgage loans.
So if you're looking to purchase a building, maybe you have a brick and mortar already and you want to purchase that building, or you see a warehouse or something that you want to purchase, this would be a good opportunity to look at Citizens Bank because they have some amazing products. Okay. So they have fixed loan rates with terms up to 10 years and amortized up to 25 years. These payments can be flexible monthly payments, Marvin.
Yeah. Also, up to 25 years is a very long time. So start thinking big, guys. Stop renting buildings and become an owner and own that building. Because think about McDonald's. McDonald's is not really in the burger business. They're in the real estate business.
Yes.
So you got to think about your business the same exact way. And look, guys, get your paperwork together because Citizens Bank could be a great bank for you to scale your business. I mean, the products they offer is absolutely incredible.
Now, Marvin, let's talk about what do you need to join this particular credit union and what bureaus do they pull?
Okay, well, from our research, they pull Experian mostly. Now, we have heard reports that they may pull Equifax. Now,
Yes.
guys, you want to make sure that your credit score is over 700 before applying. I would make sure I have a checking account and made at least a $5,000 deposit before I start asking for these products because we've done our research and this bank is very conservative. Also, check out your check systems to make sure you haven't opened up more than 3 bank accounts in the last 6 months as well.
Okay, money magnets. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe because Marvin and I are all about empowering your finances and dropping gems so that you can scale your business.
All right, remember, guys, if you want a free business strategy call because you want to raise up to $250,000 for your business, text us or set up a Zoom call so we can help you out. We give you a free business strategy call for at least 15 minutes.
Yes. Okay, Marvin, hold up. I have a gem. Money magnets. If you want to see another video that has up to $500,000 in business funding, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.